Hello, I'm Leah.
And I'm Emily.
And we're from leahgriffith.com, sitting here in our craft lab. And today we want to share with you 12 joyful craft ideas for a rainy day.
Number 1, create a set of paper crocus bulbs as a framed piece of art.
If you don't have room on your wall, they also look so pretty in these little forced bulb jars. Number 2 is stitch a felt brown cow to add to your farm stuffy collection. This little lady looks so cute with our felt goat, our horse, and the little pigs.
Make a layered positiveatea card set to send to your friends.
This is a great way to add a little coziness to their day. Create a beautiful branch of dogwood blooms from cardstock to display.
These look great displayed on their own, on a mantle, or in a vase.
Number 5 is treat yourself to a cheese plate.
This one is especially nice since it will never go bad, but it might not taste the best.
Maybe a bit too much fiber.
Number 6, macramé yourself a pretty handbag for future sunny day outings.
I already have an outfit picked out for this project. Number 7 is lean into the rain and stitch a mini embroidered vintage stamp.
You could add this to a jacket or a bag or a hat, and I think it would make a great gift. Number 8, switch out your winter wreath for this handmade felt snowdrop beauty.
This is a wreath that you can use year after year. Number 9, make a pretty name banner for your favorite child.
And this is customizable. We have the whole alphabet available, so you can make any name you'd like. Number 10, craft yourself a cyclemen plant.
Cyclemen?
Cyclemen.
Cyclemen?
Well, whatever it's called, it's definitely beautiful.
And I love how we put it in this vintage pot. I think my mom made that.
Oh, and this one is made out of crepe paper.
Number 11 is our easiest craft where you can print yourself this set of articulated pals to add a smile to any day.
Number 12, hug your candles with these papercut shamrock vellum wraps.
A fun idea we had in the studio is adding these little fairy lights into a glass and then just dropping the wrap right over the top.
Makes for an instant cozy room. So lucky! And you can find all of these projects, templates, and tutorials on our website, leahgriffith.com.
And all the tools and materials you need to make them are in our shop at feltpaperscissors.com.
Thank you for joining us on this cozy afternoon. We hope you enjoy all of these crafts.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.